Right. So there's Bonita in her cage. And then there's Georgie. 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 Hi. Hi, Georgie. Oh, my goodness. What are you doing? What are you doing, Georgie? Looks like you're having a little bite to eat, huh? Then we come over here, and what do we see? Simmy. My beautiful, beautiful kitty that I got from my daughter who passed away. Man, I love Simmy. I can't tell you how much. And then here's Teddy. I rescued her from a puppy mill breeder when she was 7. She was so scared of everything. We're so sad. But now, Teddy, you're a good girl, aren't ya? You're a good girl. You're such a good girl. And then when I decided to take Georgie and he didn't need a cage anymore, I donated the cage for an animal rescue. And now I have my little Wilma. Wilma, there she is. This is my newest rescue. She's 6 months old now. Yes, I have her birthday next week. 6 months old. Yeah, see how loved I am? I mean,